This is the best massaman curry I have had in Thailand for the past 5 weeks. I have a YouTube channel for cooking. Three. Okay, one for cooking and not preparing it yet.
Garlic already now.
Hard.
This one peanut, 1 tablespoon in a plate.
Oh,
Plus
okay.
tamarind, this one
So
I
this
mean
is
little bit take out.
Fresh tamarind and then you make
The
this.
water, the
Yeah.
mix with sugar.
Okay.
The bubble already. That's every day in it.
Onion
Onion together, all of it.
and bay leaf
Bay leaf,
and peanut. What? Tomato. Okay.
Then the coffee lamb leaf.
Oh yeah, the coffee I could
lamb.
see here, but no fruits on the trees, so not the season.
Yeah.
Today? Okay.
Yeah.
Home, then you can use.
Now we want to more vegetable string bean.
Oh yeah. This is
String long bean, yeah,
long
Thailand.
bean, yeah.
Yes.
Bawang.
Very long time.
Oh, so the longer the better
Yeah.
the flavor is. Okay. And it's also for the sauce.
The deep fry smell, yeah, garlic and onion. Fry. Deep fry.
This size. So
Peanut and lime.
but lime also when it's finished.
Lao finish time, yeah,
Yeah, and then peanuts
photo
oil.
unit.
And we
More coconut this one, huh? No
Okay.
water. Yeah.
so just from time to time to stir.
Yes.
Great.
Mochi sauce.
Oh yeah. So yes. Oh, now it's perfect.
Sugar already.
Okay.
Smell curry,
Yeah.
yeah, no good.
Yeah, we use bay leaf also in Poland for everything.
Yeah.
Soups. Pad Thai is scary because it's like not enough time to think. You just need to go and
Not too long, just
Yes.
fast. Yeah.
mix it,
Yeah.
alright?
Yeah. Some noodle.
Just a noodle.
Just a noodle.
Okay. Very good.
Ngon này.
Okay. So now I think it's time to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll enjoy.
Yeah, we eat it down outside, huh?
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
go outside.
Are you baby not coming?
No, they are good at home watching cartoons. So.
Oh,
yeah.
see katong.
Yeah, but now we are able to focus on cooking.
We eat
Yeah.
together, yeah, we sit outside.
Yeah. But they will be happy when they have like toast from 7-Eleven. What to do? This is the best massaman curry I have had in Thailand for the past 5 weeks.